Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from group 2. We will make a video about how to make a drink kekinian janji jiwa.
Ingredients: 200 ml of UHT milk, 1 sachet chocolatos chocolate flavored powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of warm water, ice cubes to taste.
First step, prepare a pouring container of 1 sachet chocolatos flavor powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar and with 4 tablespoons warm water. Stir until smooth. Second, prepare 2 tablespoons per cup of chocolato solution. And add ice cubes according to taste.
Third, after that, 200 ml UHT milk, and add chocolatos flavor. Today, drink kekinian janji jiwa ready to serve. Thanks for watching.